Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable dark mode on Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Twitter app. Then right here tap at your profile picture, and then tap at Settings and Support. Then tap at Settings and Privacy. You will be taken to the settings page where you should scroll down for a bit until you find Accessibility, Display and Languages, and there tap at Display and Sound. Right here you can easily find this dark mode feature. By default it's toggled off, you can get into it, and now I can set up dark mode by hitting at that switcher. Dark mode right now has just been turned on, and basically that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.